Hi gorgeous, I wanted to invite you to a very special 7-day clean eating challenge I created called the Rock Your Holiday Dress 7-Day Challenge. It's completely free and it's starting this Monday, November 19th. Now for those of you who have Thanksgiving next week, don't worry, you can still do this challenge. It's only one meal that you're gonna be having for Thanksgiving, and it's all about progress, not perfection. If you've been struggling with your weight or dreading the holidays and you know you're gonna probably gain some weight and then have to work it off in the new year, maybe you even have some functions to go to or parties and dreading slipping into that dress because you know it's more like squeezing into that dress, then this challenge is very, very special and it's made just for you. You'll get an amazing 25+ page guide, a shopping list, a meal plan, a Facebook community with awesome women just like you, coaching from me plus awesome prizes, and lots of tips and tricks. It's only 7 days and everyone can do anything for 7 days. Be sure to invite your friends, so click the share button because I'm inviting them too for free. I'm only giving away a certain number of spots, so you gotta hurry and join. Just check the link in the description below and click on it and it'll send you to sign up for this challenge. If you love the idea of this 7-day challenge, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I upload my next videos. There's gonna be a lot of them. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. See you soon.